In this video, I'm going to talk about AppOwls, so watch the full video. AppOwls Review. First ever artificial intelligence-assisted mobile app builder on Zoo. Breakthrough AI technology. Automatically creates stunning mobile apps for any business in any niche with just a keyword in 60 seconds. Selling damp. Profit from rabid buyers in restaurants, pizza shops, barbers, spas, decors, old age homes and hundreds of other niches. Create ultra-fast full-functional personal or business mobile apps using AI. No App Store approval needed. Get started in seconds. Easy to use. No coding or technical skills required. Enjoy free hosting. Use your own domain or our domain. Create both Android and damp iOS apps instantly. Free commercial license included to help you start your own mobile app agency. Sell mobile apps that are user-friendly and damp that can send push notifications. Send SMS with the push of a button. Sell anything via checkout with PayPal, Stripe, Square, Paystick and damp Razorpay. Turn apps into a paid fee membership model. Fully ADA plus GDPR compliant. One-time payment, founding members deal. Start your mobile app design agency now. So, if you want to buy the product, check the link in the description, plus you will get a lot of bonuses. Now you can create beautiful mobile apps using AI in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter keyword. Step 2. Answer a couple of questions. Step 3. Publish and damp sell, no matter what type of business. AppOwls is your one-stop shop for building stunning mobile apps quick and easy. Maria made $90,000 on Upwork, creating mobile apps for others. Max made over $500,000 creating mobile apps for other businesses on Upwork. Chris made over $100,000 on Upwork, creating simple mobile apps for over 225 people. Lou and Bojan made $76,000 and $133,525 for creating mobile apps for others on Fiverr. Serhian Damp Kanaka, who only recently started building mobile apps for other businesses, has made over $10,000 and $60,000 both. So, if you want to buy the product, check the link in the description, plus you will get a lot of bonuses. Watch AI Mobile App Assistant in action. Link in description. AppOwls is built for entrepreneurs and damp marketers across all levels. Nothing to download or install. No prior experience needed. Zero learning curve. Newbie friendly, created keeping both first-timers and part-timers in mind. Over 107,000 new mobile apps are created every single month. And that's the main reason why I dug deeper to find out more about the mobile app industry. Did you know that? Studies show that the average American checks their phone 262 times per day. That's once every 5.5 minutes. We use our phones at work, at home, on the street, while we're eating, in bed, and even in our cars. You might be reading this from a mobile device right now. What's everyone doing on their phones? Well, 88% of mobile time is spent on apps. And further research showed mobile apps are expected to generate over $935 billion in revenue by 2023. The Apple App Store has 1.96 million apps available for download. There are 2.87 million apps available for download on the Google Play Store. 21% of millennials open an app 50+ times per day. It's 2022. Having a mobile app is a must for every business. Mobile apps are the present and damp the future of running a business. Mobile apps boost branding. Since your company's logo and/or slogan are visible on your customers' mobile screens, it's virtually impossible not to remember you whenever they need your product services. It also offers a definite advantage against your competitors who are yet to adopt this business strategy. Mobile apps improve customer service experience. Your customers access your product services anytime they want and while on the fly. This is especially true if you don't have a helpline that's available 24/7. Your app can include a feature where they can contact you day or night, and without necessarily going to your website. Mobile apps act as a marketing tool. More than just an application, a mobile app can double as a valuable marketing tool. How? It can be easily integrated with Facebook, Twitter, Foursquare and other social media sites. That means, with a single tap, customers can share with their experience with your company, which can then offer you free publicity. Plus, using push notification, you can quickly send upcoming promotions or special events to your customers and prospects. Mobile apps help you acquire more customers. Keep in mind that today's consumers are constantly moving and are addicted to their mobile devices. Undoubtedly, they would appreciate a useful and engaging mobile app from your company. If your app helps them save or kill time or is just that awesome, they would even refer you to their friends and family. Mobile apps help you generate more income. A mobile application with order fulfillment ability can readily provide another revenue channel, aside from your website and or brick-and-mortar store. For example, functionality to make restaurant reservations, book concert tickets, buy goods and services, etc. are possible with a few clicks. But wait, there's more. You can also earn by charging app users when they upgrade, or by offering in-app advertisements, etc. So, if you want to buy the product, check the link in the description, plus you will get a lot of bonuses. Wait. If you're thinking, but I already have a website. I don't need a mobile app. You need to think again. Mobile apps offer tailored communication to users based on their interests, location, usage behavior, and more. Can still offer basic content and functionality to users in offline mode. Can include several elaborate functions based on advanced gestures like tap, swipe, drag, pinch, hold, and more. The ability to send instant, non-intrusive notifications to users. Utilize features of a mobile device like a camera, contact list, GPS, phone calls, accelerometer, compass, etc. Mobile users spend 88% of their time on mobile apps. Websites. Every user is presented with the same content irrespective of their behavior, location, etc. Cannot work offline. Need an internet connection all the time. Depend on browser features like back button, refresh button, and address bar to work. You can communicate with your audience when they visit your website. You are stuck with only the features listed on your website. Website visitors spend 12% of the time on mobile websites. In simple terms, without a mobile app, your business cannot exist anymore. Reason: mobile app designing and development require time, money, and loads of hard work. A couple of options for anyone wanting to start a mobile app designing and development agencies are: option number 1. Do IT yourself. This option is best suited for the hard-working ones. Learn the basics of Java, Kotlin, C++, Lua. These are the nuts and bolts of all mobile app development that you'll work with daily if you decide to build mobile apps for a living. HTML dictates the structure, CSS will make it look pretty, JavaScript will make it function. The free and open source software on the internet. There are no free launches. If you want to use open source software, there are a bunch of extra things you're going to need and a few risks you'll always be prepared to take. You need lots of additional features. Slow load speed. This is the #1 conversion killer. Audiences who leave because of slow loading mobile apps never return. Mobile app vulnerability. This leaves your mobile app susceptible to getting hacked. Mobile app can go down without notice. This is #2 conversion killer. Remember, no one shops on a mobile app that suddenly shuts down. Learn how to use Adobe Photoshop or Sketch. Be prepared to spend countless hours perfecting it. Learn SQL that helps you store information, and PHP, scripting language that places or pulls stuff from a database. Submit your app for approvals at the App Stores owned by Google and Apple. Option number 2. This is best suited for the lazy ones. Hire professionals to help you start this highly lucrative business. App designers either charge by the hour or a flat fee per project. Be prepared to spend a huge amount of money before you make your first dollar. Take a look at some of popular sites and the time plus money it would cost you to have something similar created. Option number 3. Here are some companies that offer app design services, but they charge a bum. Scary. Right. But I was too committed to the idea of tapping into this massive and ever-growing industry. After spending thousands of dollars and months of hard work, I, along with my team, was able to create an option that was affordable and helped anyone to create a stunning mobile app in just 60 seconds. Using AI. Introducing the ultimate mobile app designing cloud-based software powered by AI. No monthly fee, one-time payment, founding members deal. Start your mobile app design agency now. So, if you want to buy the product, check the link in the description, plus you will get a lot of bonuses.